Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a budget-friendly woodland inspired centerpiece. This piece is easy to make and I was able to find most of the materials at the dollar store. The first thing you'll need is a wooden round 9 inches in diameter and 3/4 of an inch thick. But you could choose a different size depending on how big or small you want the centerpiece to be. Next you will need pieces of bark. You could buy those from a craft store or do as I did and collect them from a log. You will also need reindeer moss, a fall scented mini cone mix, 1 to 2 berry garlands, each 9 feet long, and a candle. I am using one that already comes in a glass container. The first thing we're going to do is attach the pieces of bark to the outside edge of the wooden base using hot glue. If you collected them from the outside, make sure they are cleaned, and you can also cut them down to size so that they are about an inch thick. We will be covering the whole top with moss, so it's okay if there are empty spaces between the bark or if they are uneven. Make sure to hold and press down the bark for a few seconds to make sure it stays attached. Next, we're going to apply some tacky or craft glue to the edges and spread it evenly with a small brush. Then press down the pieces of the moss so that they cover the top but also hang over the edges a bit. I wanted to be able to place the candle at the center, so I estimated how much more moss to attach while leaving an empty space for the candle. I then placed the berry garland around the top of the candle while it was still in the form of a ring, but later I went back and unwound another berry garland and wrapped it completely around the candle, tucking in the ends or giving them a twist so that they will hold. Once you have the candle down, you can now start placing the mini pine cones around the centerpiece. I really liked using this fall mix because it had putka pots in it, which looked like little pumpkins, so it was perfect for fall. You can glue down these pieces or you can leave them loose so that you could change them later on if you wish. And you have your centerpiece ready. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.